Hi, good morning students. It's me Harsnath Sukla and in class 12 today we are going to discuss lecture number 5. Chapter is continuity and differentiability and our topic for today is differentiability. So let us start. Let y is equal to fx be a real valued function then it is said to be differentiable at x is equal to a if limit x tends to a fx minus fa divided by fx minus fa divided by x minus a, it is said to be differentiable at x is equal to a if limit x tends to a fx minus fa upon x minus a exists. This is the differentiability of the function, and this limit exists only if LHL and RHL of this particular limit has exist. So LHL of this limit, that means left-handed limit of this limit, is defined as the LHD left-handed derivative, and RHL of this limit is defined as RHD right-handed derivative. So now we discuss left-handed derivative because this limit is exist only LHL and RHL exist, and the differentiability of a function exists if and only if the you can say left-handed derivative and right-handed derivative exists. So we are going to discuss left-handed derivative and right-handed derivative. So left-handed derivative, left-handed derivative, this is known as LHD. So for a function y is equal to fx, LHD is defined as limit x tends to a minus fx minus fa divided by x minus a. And now according to the left-handed limit LHL, we have limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h minus fa and divided by a minus h minus a. This is cancelled out. So limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h minus fa divided by minus h. This is left-handed derivative, that means LHD. Similarly, we can find right-handed derivative. So please note it down. Okay, now next is right-handed derivative, that means RHD. So limit x tends to a plus fx minus fa. This is right-handed derivative RHD divided by x minus a. So this becomes limit h tends to a, h tends to 0, f of a minus h a plus h minus fa and divided by a plus h minus a. This is cancelled out. So limit h tends to 0, f of a plus h minus of fa divided by h. This is RHT. So left-handed derivative and right-handed derivative. Maybe it is clear. Fa plus h minus fa divided by h. Okay. Now we are right. We can say if derivative of the function exists only if limit of this function exists and this is equal to LHD is equal to RHD. So a function y is equal to fx, a function y is equal to fx is differentiable at x is equal to a if LHD equal to RHD. That means left-handed derivative is equal to right-handed derivative. Okay? That means limit h tends to 0, fa minus h minus fa divided by minus h is equal to limit h tends to 0, fa plus h minus fa divided by h. If LHD and RHD exist and they are equal, then only we can say function is differentiable at that particular point. So we shall discuss the differentiability of the function, but before that we are just we can see an example and then we start a theorem. So write down. Discuss the differentiability of the function y is equal to mod x. Discuss the differentiability of the function y is equal to mod x. Discuss the differentiability of a function y is equal to mod x. Okay, we can discuss the differentiability of this particular function. So for that, first we define mod x. This is nothing but x if x greater than 0. This is minus x if x less than 0. And this is 0 if x is equal to 0. Okay. So we can write it as mod x. So what is the point at which we discuss the differentiability of the function? This is the point 0. So at x is equal to 0 we find LHD and RHD. So LHD is nothing but limit of h tends to 0 f of a minus h minus fa divided by minus h. Here a is equal to 0. That means limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h. F of a minus h, that means f of 0 minus h minus f of 0 divided by minus h, and this is limit h tends to 0 f of minus h. F of 0 is given 0 only and divided by minus h, and f of minus h, as h greater than 0 minus h is less than 0, that means minus h less than 0 minus of x, or simply you can say if you put the value minus h in mod x, then it will be positive. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of minus h is nothing but h divided by minus h, so this is minus 1. Okay, so note it down. Okay, next one, RHD, right-handed derivative. So if we find RHD at x is equal to 0, so this is RHD a plus h, fa plus h, 0 plus h upon h, and this is fh upon plus h. All things are same, then this is nothing but h upon h, this is 1. So limit of this function is 1. So here we see LHD does not equal to RHD, hence function is not differentiable at x is equal to 0. Hence function is not differentiable at x is equal to 0. Now we shall discuss next question, so please try to note it down. So one more question we have to discuss here. So let us see. Discuss the differentiability of the function fx is equal to, question is, discuss the differentiability of the function defined by fx is equal to x minus 1 if x is less than 2, x minus 1 if x is less than 2, and 2x minus 3 if x is greater than or equal to 2 at x is equal to 2. So we shall discuss the continuity of the function at x is equal to 2, differentiability of the function at x is equal to 2. So let us see. First we find LHD at x is equal to is 2, we have to see it. LHD, that means left-handed derivative. So this is limit of h tends to 0, f of 2 minus h minus f2 divided by minus of h. This is the definition of LHD. F of a minus h minus fa divided by minus h. So if we see limit h tends to 0, f of 2 minus h, 2, h is greater than 0, so the quantity 2 minus h is less than 2, and less than 2 function is defined as x minus 1. So we write here 2 minus h minus 1 minus f2, x is equal to 2, function is 2x minus 3, then 2 into 2 minus 3 and divided by minus h. So this will be nothing. H tends to 0. 2 minus 1, 1 minus h minus 4 minus 3 and divided by minus h. Okay, so this is 1 my limit h tends to 0, 1 minus h minus 1 divided by minus h. This is cancelled out, and this is also limit h tends to 0 minus h upon minus h. This is 1. So left-handed derivative of the function is 1. Now we are going to find right-handed derivative. So right-hand derivative is RHD. So please note it down. The right-handed derivative is RHD, right-handed derivative. Okay, so maybe it is completed. So right-handed derivative, you can see here RHD, and RHD is nothing but 2 plus h f2 upon h, and 2 plus h, the quantity 2 plus h greater than 2, so this is 2 into 2 plus h minus 3 minus the same f2 upon h. So this is 2 to the 4 plus 2h minus 3 minus 4 to the 4 minus 3 minus 1. So this is upon h. So you can see here 4 minus 4 0. So limit h tends to 0, 2h upon h. This is cancelled out. So limit h tends to 0, 2. This is 2. So if we see here, then LHD does not equal to RHD. Hence the function is not derivable at x is equal to 2. That is, function is not differentiable at x is equal to 2. So if we see here we see LHD does not equal to RHD at x is equal to 2. Hence function is not differentiable at x is equal to 2. Hence function is not differentiable at x is equal to 2. So this is the differentiability of the function. Then in next lecture we shall discuss some theorem based on the differentiability and continuity, that means relation between the differentiability and continuity, and then we solve more questions, and then this topic is also completed. So again I revise it, what is the LHD and RHD, then we wind up this particular topic. So again I'm just going to write the definition of LHD and RHD. Left-handed derivative LHD at x is equal to a. Limit h tends to 0, f of a minus h minus fa divided by minus h. This is left-handed derivative, and it is also right LF dash a. This is the notation. Left-handed derivative at x is equal to a. Similarly, RHD at x is equal to a. This is RF dash a. This is limit h tends to 0, f of a plus h minus fa divided by h. So this is the LHD at x is equal to a, and this is the RHD at x is equal to a. So we need to learn this definition at all. Then we are able to solve the question based on differentiability. Thank you for today.